Lazy and broke. Now we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause I think back.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. It's a girl show and it's a girl Zoe. So as seen by the title down below, we'll be doing a Shein try on haul today. So you all know the usual routine. Please remember to drop a like on the video, drop a comment down below. If you're not yet subscribed, please go ahead and make sure that you do so. Turn on the post notification bell on all, and remember to follow me on all socials at @rush_Sheila. So today's video is sponsored by Shein. So as you all know, Shein have a lot of shops. So just so you all can be familiarized with some of the shops, they have shops like Pixies, Glamorique Kids, which from those two shops are items that I'll be showcasing today and showing you all. So you guys can use my coupon code KB2 AMANDA, so that's KB2 Amanda, so that you guys can get 15% off on your purchase. So when you go in the Shein app, right where you see search, you can just type in Glamorique Kids and you guys can see all the nice, when I say nice, all the nice affordable dresses that your kids can have access to. Like guys, I'm telling you about outfits from Glamorique Kids that your kids can wear for photo shoot, can wear go to church, can wear go to party. Very nice outfits. You don't have to believe me, you can just go and look for yourself, right? So make sure you guys follow Glamorique Kids so you guys can stay up to date with the latest trendiest items on there. Also, you guys can search Pixie in the search bar and follow them same way. Yeah, you guys can get a lot of trendy, casual, nice two-piece outfits for your kids same way. Yeah, vibrant color clothes and stuff right on Pixie. So make sure you guys search and follow them. So as you all know, the packages, so this one and then this other one what Zoe has shown. So as you all know, I did open the packages for the previous Shein video that we did do when we were, you know, showing you guys what and what Zoe got. So she's gonna be trying these on now. Anyway guys, we're gonna go with the first item first. So guys, we're gonna be going, so I'm gonna make sure you try on this nice polka dot dress. And if you guys want this dress, you guys can go on Glamorique Kids store on Shein. Yes, follow them and you guys can see this same exact dress, right? So I'm gonna put it on Zoe and then, you know, show you all how it look on her. Alright so guys, so this is the polka dot outfit. Turn. Woo! So as you all see, it is very nice. Turn now, baby. Alright, so nice dress, and as you can see, it fits Zoe perfect. Like it, mama? Alright guys, so moving on to the second item, slippers. I'm gonna let her put these on and then show you how it look. Push up your foot. Push up your foot. Up. Next foot. Zoe. Stand up. Push up your foot. Stop. Zoe, stop. You don't hear to stop. Alright guys, so the slippers here on her shoe, on her foot. Turn around. So as I see, it not by the exact, it by with little room in it, right? So I know she can grow in. So nice color blast slipper. Alright guys, so we're gonna go in with this one now. This. Come Zoe, come put this shoes on. Push up your foot. Wait Zoe, wait. Then you gonna put on one foot, do it better ready to go in there next. Go on. Turn, Zoe. Turn around. Ease up your foot. Stop. Turn. Alright guys, as you see the shoes. So the shoes have space in it. So now that close up on our foot, we wanna know she can grow in the same way, right? Alright guys, so we have this other shoe, which is this one. Again, so that one here a little bit off our foot. So I don't know, so she's so good this one here. Stop. Turn. Okay. Turn. Alright guys, so this is very nice shoes. So as I said, this a little bit off our foot, so I don't know this won't fit her. Yes, pretty. Alright guys, so this is the last shoes. Stamp it Zoe. Yes, so these are the light up slippers. Come Zoe, come walk to me. Yes, turn. Stamp it. Alright guys, so this year we can tell her Zoe favorite because you see through the light upon it. Can tell her she love this. Alright guys, so we're gonna go in with these last outfits, which these are 3 tops. So as you all can see, and remember, these are from Cozy Pixie. See there? So we have right here peach, purple, and white. So I'm gonna be trying these on with a shorts, and then you all can see how they look on her. Alright guys, so see the first top here. Stay there, go over there. There, so come to me now, Zoe. Turn. Look here. Gotcha. Zoe. Alright, stop. You know no brakes, eh? You run out of brakes. It look like you run out of brakes. Stand up right here, so. Stand up, Zoe. Alright guys, so this is 12 to 18. Marina, turn around, Zoe. Yeah, so 12 to 18 months. So this is the first one. So I'm going to put on the other one. Come. Alright guys, so this is the second one. Turn Zozo. Alright, so the purple one. And as I see, these fit are good. Turn. As I see, these fit are good. Right, so the last and final one now we're going to put on. Alright guys. Turn, come. Stop. Go over. Zoe, come over here, so. Yes, stay there, so now. Turn to me. Look. I want to look at you, man. Hello, me never say if you pose, me say look. Alright guys, I was gonna see the 3 of them fit her. You pretty? You pretty? Actually, my tear one tear off. Hey, where draw for clothes? Where live for clothes for? Eh? Alright guys, so remember now to go and search and follow Glamorique Kids and Cozy Pixie on Shein, so that you guys can stay tuned with the trendiest items and you know their latest picks. Also, please remember to use my coupon code KB2Amanda so that you guys can get 15% off. So it's a girl Rush and it's a girl Zoe, and thank you all so much for watching the video. Please remember to drop a like on the video, drop a comment down below, and if you're not yet subscribed, please go ahead and make sure that you do so. So we'll catch you all in the next video. Bye. Till then, bye bye.
Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like, okay, I used to be
High
a
volume,
bitch,
high volume,
okay.
high volume.
I'm pretty, then I'm motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She think that she's